Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2011 Kubota B3200. It's the very last of the 3200 series tractors. 2013 they went to an emissions tractor called a B3250. This is a tractor loader backhoe package. This tractor is going to come as it's shown with the LA 504 quick attach front loader, has a 60-inch front loader bucket, and then this tractor has a very hard to find but a very nice BH77 subframe mounted backhoe. Backhoe tractors do not last very long. We listed one last week. It was sold last week. Actually sold two last week. But this tractor mechanically is in very, very good condition. Runs and works excellent. We've just done a complete and full service on it. Cosmetically, it's got some scratches, some scrapes, or some stone chips on the hood. But again, runs and works excellent. This is the last of the 4-cylinder V1505 32 horse non-emissions tractors. Does have a tractor top rooftop on it. Does have the folding roll bar. So a couple things on this tractor. First thing, gentleman that we bought this from, it was a privately owned piece. He cannot find, I did not get the 3-point hitch arms. The drawbar is there, but you'll need to source a set of 3-point hitch arms for it. They are available. It is just not included in it, and the purchase price reflects that. Up front on the front loader bucket, there is a very small, and I say small, it has a very small little wee bow in the front of the cutting edge. There again, the price point on it reflects that. An upfront guy, very honest, and I've priced this tractor where it is going to sell in the market. So we're going to do our normal walk around, and we always do start and run this tractor for you. So, up front, you're going to see on the hood, there are some stone chips. There's one little ding there. Other than that, hood's in good shape. Under the hood's going to be powered by the Kubota V1505, 4-cylinder diesel engine. Again, this is a completely non-emissions tractor. Starts and runs great. We've just done a complete and full service. All oils and filters have been changed. That is the way we do our operation here. Yeah, we get people come here, don't believe us that we did that, but that is what we do. 60-inch front bucket. The cutting edge is good. Again, don't know what he did, and most guys will never see it. I'm just pointing out there's a small little bow right there. Doesn't affect it. I'm just being honest. R4 tires. Fronts are going to be about 50%. Rears are going to be about 75%. Other than that, very good shape. Again, in the back, BH77 subframe mount backhoe with 16-inch bucket. Backhoe is in really nice shape. There's no oil leaks on it. It's not busted, welded, cracked, anything like that. Fenders are nice and straight. Again, it does have that topper. There's two little cracks on the topper. Other than that, very clean. 540 PTO, the drawbar is in the tractor. Again, I do not have that 3-point kit for it. It does have a cup holder and a little box tray here. You're going to have your 540 PTO here. You're going to have mid PTO. So if you would have a 3200 and you have a mower deck and your 3200 is got a bunch of hours on it or whatever, you can put that mower deck over on this tractor. You're going to have low, medium, and high range in the transmission. 4-wheel drive in and out, up and down for your 3-point if you have it on. You're going to have your clutch D-clutch pedal here for the transmission. Now on a Kubota, they use a clutch pedal on these 3200s and your older stuff. Disconnects the transmission in the wintertime, so you don't have to turn that cold oil, and you can gradually let it out. I do like that option. You have your forward and reverse, your brake pedals, your joystick loader control. You're going to see right here, there is 614 hours on this tractor. On a working meter, all the gauges work. This tractor does have the backhoe seat on it. So, a normal 3200 obviously would not have that, and it's going to lock over in its position to get on the tractor. When you're done, pull that, rotate back around here, lock back in place. Now, you do have right here 2 small cracks on the seat. Braden, show them. Now, other than that, seat's in good shape. The rest of it wasn't tore up, so it didn't warrant replacing. Guys, we're going to fire this tractor up. We're going to run it around. We're going to show you everything works just the way it's supposed to. Here we go. Tractor picks itself up nice. I'm going to go ahead here and go to low range. And we're going to back up, four-wheel drive in, four-wheel drive out. Power steering. Again, we're in low range. I'm going to go ahead and go here to medium range now. High range. So we've showed you there all three ranges work just the way they're supposed to. I'm going to go ahead here and go back into medium range. So, hop off the tractor. We're going to flip that seat around just like so. Gonna hop up on here. And I hooked myself. So, it's going to have a boom lock release. Pull that up, pull your swivel lock pin. Tractor's going to pick itself up just like it's supposed to. Backhoe again is very nice and smooth. Pick itself up. It's going to swing left or right without a problem. Now, all you have to do, we're going to relatch our boom lock, set the pressure off of it. We're going to go ahead and set our pin right in there. You can reach up and you can take right there and you can idle your tractor back down. Release your seat. You do a little swivel here, back in place. Guys, there it is. Turn signals 4 ways. Everything there works. Cruise control, park brake, power steering. Guys, These are a very good tractor. They're a powerhouse of a little tractor. Again, 4-cylinder, 32-horse engine, V1505. Four-wheel drive power steering, guys. Tractor loader backhoe package. If you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. If you have any questions on this product or any other products that we have, please let us know. Stuff like this does not hang around. This tractor is going to be priced extremely well in the market. Remember, to put a tractor even anywhere near what that is, because remember, the most common tractors are B2650, which is now an LX2610. That's only a 3-cylinder tractor, and that's only 26 horse. And there is a massive difference between the two, in my opinion. And if you go into a LX3310, that tractor is going to be an emissions tractor. There again, it's the differences in the tractors. These are non-emissions. These are a very heavy built tractor. But regardless, what I'm trying to say, you're all but $40,000 to put that in its place. That backhoe alone is an $11,000 backhoe on the back of it, new today. Guys, you got any questions? 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.